Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see information system strategic grid, otherwise it's called McFarlane model. Very important in the first unit. We are going to see business manager must be involved in the strategic planning and the management of information system because information system and information technology nowadays playing a crucial role in the day-to-day business operation. We want to do our business because of we want to earn profit. If you are doing a business, you have to be very updated. That is strategic planning process must be taken part. That is what we studied in the level of management. The top level management people usually they have to think very strategically. That is means strategically they only the persons going to decide our vision of the company, what we want to be at next level, next year what we are. So these are all the thing the top level management people mostly they have to concentrate in the strategic planning in management information system. What it is going to be clearly explained in the sense a relationship between information technology with other business aspect in the organization. So what we are having, how the manager easily adopt the situation, whether this strategic plan and operational level plan, whether it is coincide or not, have a relationship they are having or not, how we can match this, all these things we are going to see in the information system strategic grid model or McFarlane model. Before entering into that model, who is that McFarlane? Actually, he is a person, he is a Harvard Business School professor actually. He illustrates the relationship between the business strategy and the information strategy. Information technology strategy, how it is going to be in the business operations. Okay, information technology, business strategy, how it is going to be implemented in the organization, how it is workful. Specifically, McFarlane model illustrates how project involving information technology investment welfare due to the investment. Okay, business managers must be involved in the strategic planning and management of information system. Okay, so it has some too long and didn't read that model. Okay, strategic grid is a tool business can use to assess the impact of information technology investment in their current and future project. How to constructing the strategic grid. Well, how we can construct? Actually, he have four model quadrant. More four quadrant he is having like table. What that quadrant going to be talking about in the sense? Actually, the labeled from top to left to bottom the clockwise motion. Labeled is support, turnaround, strategy, and factory. Okay, it start with the support, that is clockwise. You have to come down and it will be cover the whole round. Clear? So it's called a turnaround. First one is supporting strategy, turnaround, strategic, and factory represent. So these for possible roles in IT enterprises can fill within the organization. This grid, X grid, what is X axis shows project impact on information technology strategies, and Y axis is going to be talking about plot the projects where it is. Okay, current impact of the IT operations. I will show the diagram, you will understand. Okay, using X axis, a manager can determine how potential project will impact the company operation, whether it will make possible for the companies capture new market share, that and all will be talking about in the x-axis itself. Within the y-axis, a manager can work how a project will make existing system more efficient and more productive. The two categories they will be saying in the x-axis and the y-axis. X-axis fully determine how potential project will be impacted. Y-axis is going to be talking about how current existing product and future. Okay, how we are making existing product is going to be more efficient. That is what we are seeing in the y-axis. Okay, let me see one by one. First we'll start with supportive aspects, quadrant. Information technology investment that can improve the company's operations but are not necessary for its continued operation. Okay, that is what support we are talking about. Next we are going to talk about turnaround. information investment that to provide strategic opportunities. So many informations technology will be providing so much of strategic opportunities to the business development and strategic operation. Information technology investment that are necessary for the company's future success. Okay. Then factory. Information technology investment, the company needs to maintain its continued operation. I want to continue my business still. Okay, so it should not face the losses. Okay, these are all the things, majorly four quadrant they are following. Just to see from the support mode, and it will move to factory mode, and it will move to strategic mode, and it will be turnaround mode. Just it's a clockwise direction it will be going on. Okay, so in this below level, like x-axis low level, we can say low, and it will reach a high level. The same thing it has to be. X-axis is going to be talking about speed and reliability. Y-axis is going to be talking about strategic impact. Okay, let me explain one by one. Okay, so, start with the support mode. Support mode, 12-hour service interruption cases, no serious consequences. Online user response time taken up for 5 seconds. Systems are mostly visible in the customer and suppliers. 80% of the value transaction can quickly revert to manual. Okay, most system working in is maintenance. So these are all the support mode will do. What about factory mode? 1 minute system failure causes loss of business, isn't it? So response time lag and serious consequences. Core business activity. Okay, most system works is maintenance, and system work provide a little strategic value or cost saving. Then strategic, 1 minute system already we said it's going to be lead failure. So new system promise major transformation, and new system promise major cost reduction. New system will use the gap between close gap between the competitors. Okay, last one, turnaround, what we are going to show. New system promise major transformations. New system promise cost reduction also. So in information, more of 50% of this capital spending we are using this. So more than 15% total corporate expenses will occur. So this is the major four quadrant I would like to explain you. And strategic cloud shows how companies using information technology, its need both new and reliable IT supports what we are having. In this framework, a strategic grade is meant a tool business, okay, can use assess their current and continuing IT needs rather than the simply state company's ITU status. Okay, the need for information technology support in business was first recognized in 1970s, and today it's more critical to daily operation than ever before. Nearly every year type of enterprises, all the type of enterprises now they are using this concept, isn't it? Understanding this, business manager must be involved in the strategic planning and management information system. That is what we explained in the first topic itself. Okay, was strategic grid in the action. What is that? It will be because of the business manager be involved in the strategic planning, putting the strategic grid to work in a crucial part managing the profitable business. The strategic grid can be used to prioritize the IT purchase by putting the proposed action into the clear diagram it will be providing. It forces the manager using accurate assess information. Okay, it will force us. You can't say with assessment worker, we can't say assuming value or not. That is also. For example, currently assuming the employee tablet might score fairly high on the y-axis, putting the factory quadrant. Okay, if the same company has no plan to increase the reliance on technology, it will be fall close to the left hand side x-axis, putting it the support quadrant. Okay, so this is the thing. We just imagine that quadrant and assuming the word, what this paragraph is going to be talking about. Using this example, the manager might anticipate that 5 years time. What once you see this diagram, there we have a locking everything we will be finding automatically 5 years what we are going to be like that. That productions will come. Okay, in this projection, the next 5 years he would plot the company higher on the y-axis, acknowledging that the company continue its current operations smoothly at a larger scale. it will need to invest more in the same IT support it is already using in it. So this grid model is going to be talking about how the business can be developed by the use of information technology and the management information system. It will lead to strategic planning of the manager. The manager will do a strategic plan because using this model they can implement. Okay, thank you.